Please open your books on page number 34. We already discussed about transparent materials and opaque materials, and now inshallah we will be discussing about plastics and glass. So we'll learn about plastics and glass today. Now, some materials, some metals are magnetic. What are magnetic materials? Some materials are magnetic. It means they are attracted by magnet. Okay? Iron is the most magnetic metal. Please repeat after me. Magnetic metal. So iron is a metal. For example, we have different metals. We have different metals such as silver, gold, and iron, copper. So this metal is, we are talking about metal which is iron, and iron is magnetic metal. Okay, some steel is also magnetic because it contains a lot of iron. So what is iron? This is iron. See here, this is iron. Iron, for example, the nails are made up of iron, the hammer is made up of iron. Many things we also use iron rods. So these things are made up of iron. Iron is a metal. Which kind of metal? A magnetic metal. What is a magnet? See here, this is a magnet. Okay, this is a magnet. Now, this magnet attracts iron. Understand? This magnet attracts iron. So, iron is a magnetic material. Iron is the most magnetic metal, and it is attracted by magnet. Now we are going to read about plastics. Plastics are materials that are not found naturally but are made from chemicals. So plastics are those materials which are not found naturally but they are made from chemicals. They are strong and waterproof and can be made into any shape or color. So see, for example, this chair, it can be of any shape. Plastic things can be of any shape and any color also. And this plastic ball, it is again, it has different colors and different, it has a different shape also. Many plastics can be made transparent. Have you seen transparent plastics? For example, glasses of made up of plastic, and different things are transparent also which are made up of plastic. So are plastics magnetic? When you put a magnet close to the plastic, does plastic attracts to the magnet? Is plastic attracted to the magnet? No, they are not magnetic and do not conduct heat or electricity. What do you mean by conducting heat or electricity? When you are going to put plastic near some electricity, it is not going to let the electricity pass through it. Okay, and same is for heat also. Plastics are used to make all sorts of things such as plastic bags, plastic bottles, and toys. Now, plastics are used for making what? For each and everything we can use plastic. For example, plastic bottles, toys, plastic bags. Now, the next material we are going to study about is glass. Glass is made by melting sand. How is glass made? It is made by melting sand. When you melt sand, you produce glass. It is normally transparent and can be made into many different shapes. See, glasses, this also contains glass. This is also contains glass. So windows can be made from glass, and different um, pots are made up of glass, and uh, the spectacles also, the glasses which you wear are also made up of glass. Thick glass can be strong, but thin glass will break very easily. Glass is used for objects that need to be transparent, such as windows and spectacles. Okay, so for windows, this is a window and this is a spectacle, and we use glass to make transparent things, to produce transparent things. We need glass. Okay, so if we revise today's lecture, what did we understand? What did we learn today? We learned about metals. What kind of metals? Magnetic metals. Iron is a magnetic metal. Why? Because it is attracted towards the magnet. It is attracted towards the magnet. And we studied about plastics. Plastics occur naturally. No, plastics do not occur naturally. Plastics are strong, plastics are waterproof. It means water cannot pass through plastics. They do not conduct heat. It means heat cannot pass through plastics, and they do not conduct electricity. It means electricity cannot pass through plastics. And the example they have given is the chair and the ball, both are made up of plastics. And about glass, glass is made up of sand, and glass is made up of sand, and glass can be changed into many different shapes and sizes. We can use what? We can use glass to make different objects such as windows and spectacles.